Shigawri. Today I am going to talk about support vector machine. Support vector machine, it is a super powerful supervised machine learning algorithm. It is mainly used for the classification tasks. It is support vector machine is application like face detection, spam classification, and even in medical diagnosis. Then let's see what is a support vector machine. Support vector machine is it is a supervised machine learning algorithm, which means it learns from the labeled training data. The main goal of support vector machine is a find a line or plane. It is called as a hyperplane. For example, separating emails into spam or not spam. It is for the best to separate data into classes. Okay. Then maximize margin between data classes. That means SVM does not just draw any line. It finds the line with the maximum margin, meaning it keeps the biggest possible distance between the categories. The data point closest to the line are are called as the support vector. Then see the how to draw support vector. First draw the x1 axis, it is a horizontal line. Then second draw is a x2 line axis, it is a vertical. Plot two classes. First is I give first is blue square for one class, and I give second class is green circle. Then keep them on opposite side but close to the middle region, okay, where the decision boundary will be. Then draw the hyperline, it is a hyperline. Draw a straight line between the two classes. In these two classes draw the hyperline. Then this is the maximum margin, hyperplane or decision boundary. Then draw two lines parallel to the hyperline. It is म्हणजे हे अशा दोन पॅरलल मार्जिनच्या पॅरलल दोन लाईन हायपरच्या पॅरलल दोन मार्जिन काढायच्या. वन टच इज द नियरेस्ट ब्लू सर्कल अँड वन टच इज द नियरेस्ट टू द ग्रीन सर्कल. दिस line from the margin. Okay. Then identify the data points that lie on the margin line. These are the support vectors. Okay. These are the support vectors. Upper line, it is a you say the positive hyperline, and this lower line is a you say the negative hyperline. Then hyperplane means it is a hyperplane, a decision boundary between two classes. Then margin, it is a margin, a decision from the boundary to closest point. Then it is say also support vectors. Support vectors mean data point closest to the boundary. Okay, these two lines are the support vectors. Then see the types of support vector machine. Support vector machines can be of two types. First is a linear support vector machine and second is a non-linear support vector machine. First is linear support vector machine means when data set is separated by the linear line, that is called as a linear support vector machine. And non-linear support vector machine means when the data set is not separated by the linear line, that is called as a non-linear support vector machine. Then see the linear line SVM on one example. This is one green apple and this is orange. It is a example of linear support vector machine. Suppose we want to clarify fruits into apples and orange based on the color on that its shape. The two fruits are very different. One is apple and another side class is orange. Fruits are very different, so it's easy to draw a straight line. It is straight line to separate them. ह्या दोन्हीला सेपरेट करायला आपल्याला इझी पडेल स्ट्रेट लाईन काढायला. मग that is what a linear SVM does. It draw a straight boundary between two classes. म्हणजे लिनियर सपोर्ट वेक्टर मशीन काय करते की ह्या दोन्हीला सेपरेट करण्यासाठी एक स्ट्रेट लाईन बाउंड्री ह्या टू क्लासेस मध्ये काढते. देन व्हेन डेटा इज क्लिअरली separated like this, SVM work perfectly with a linear decision boundary. Okay, this is the non-linear SVM example. Suppose we are trying to clarify fruits. One is apple and another side is mixed fruits like orange, green orange, lemon, etc. Suppose we are trying to clarify fruits like mangoes and mixed fruits. These fruits are not easy to separate it, okay, using the straight line, because they overlap in features like lemon size is small, then green orange is large size. So instead of drawing a straight line, we are a curved boundary to separate them. It is called as a non-linear classification. This is the non-linear support vector machine. In that difficult to separate data. Okay, understood? Thank you.